Welcome back to the channel where we make advanced tools accessible. Today, we are diving into the essential gear for every DIY enthusiast and budding fabricator, the best plasma cutters you can buy for under $300. Get ready to see how these powerful machines can transform your projects, making clean, precise cuts on various metals. If you are ready to take your metalwork to the next level, hit that subscribe button now. We will be showing you our top picks, and all the links to your next essential workshop tool are waiting for you in the description below. Let's get cutting. Number 5. Brand name, HITBOX, model number, HBC45. HITBOX HBC45 comes with XTS45 plasma torch and friendly to the surrounding electrical machine and human body without interference. XTS45 unique gumwood swirl ring for better plasma arc penetration and more aesthetically pleasing cutting ends. HITBOX HBC45 plasma cutting machine adopts inverter technique, and material greatly reduces the dimensions and weight of the main transformer, energy saving 50%, efficiency is increased by 30%. Improved cooling method for cutting torch, greatly makes cutting consumables more durable. You can adjust the current and cutting mode according to the LED digital display and read the air pressure value more easily. Number 4. Brand name, Herocut, model number, Cut45i. The Herocut Cut45i is a portable, 220-volt inverter plasma cutter designed for DIY enthusiasts and professionals working on small to medium-scale metal cutting projects. The Plasma Herocut Cut45i is an IGBT inverter-based plasma cutting machine produced using the latest in IGBT technology. Its IGBT base allows for a stable and reliable cutting performance, making it a choice for both professional and amateur users. This Herocut Cut45i machine is reliable, robust, and stacked with features that you expect from a quality plasma cutter. This very compact unit you can find in the market and weighs only 8 kilograms. With a maximum cutting thickness of up to 12 millimeters. Our plasma cutter can handle steel, aluminum, brass, copper, and other metal materials. It is suitable for a variety of projects, from small DIY tasks to industrial applications. Equipped with overheat, overcurrent, and overvoltage protection, ensuring safe and efficient operation. The automatic cooling fan and vents effectively dissipate heat, prolonging the lifespan of the machine. Number 3. Brand name, Herocut, model number, Cut55p. This machine is one of the most portable single-phase inverter cutting machines on the market. Its small compact design and high-frequency arc starting system make it one of the most convenient single-phase inverter cutting machines available. This machine is easy to set and operate, display cutting current, help users adjust the current to cut different metals. Equipped with the latest IGBT inverter technology, this plasma cutter offers the best combination of precision and speed. It can produce a variety of flat metal shapes and cut through a wide range of materials including steel, stainless steel, aluminum, brass, and copper. With its user-friendly interface, the Cut55p plasma cutter is easy to set up and operate. The display shows the cutting current, allowing users to adjust it according to the type of metal being cut. The plasma cutting machine has the latest large LED digital display screen, which can display real-time parameters such as air pressure, voltage, and current. Number 2. Brand name, HZXVOGEN, model number, HVC50. HZXVOGEN HVC50 plasma cutter machine utilizes advanced IGBT inverter technology with a 60% duty cycle for penetrating various metal materials like stainless steel, aluminum, and copper. Equipped with multiple safety features including overheating protection and a voltage stabilization system, this cutter ensures safe operation. Its compact design is space-saving, whether it is workshop or outdoor construction site. It can be transferred quickly and flexibly. The plasma cutter is built with a high-quality electrode and nozzle design that minimizes arc breakage, ensuring continuous operation. Made from high-strength, heat-resistant, and wear-resistant materials. It's designed for long-term use and reliability. This cutting machine has a wide range of applications, suitable for cutting stainless steel, alloy steel, mild steel, copper, and other non-ferrous metal materials. The panel of plasma cutter is equipped with a gasometer to reduce installation difficulties. Simply connect the air hose to the air compressor and air filter, turn on the power and connect the cutting torch and ground clamp, and start cutting metal. The intuitive and easy-to-use digital control panel supports adjustment of current to ensure that every cut achieves the desired results. Integrated multiple safety protection measures, including overheating protection, voltage stabilization system to ensure safe operation. Compact structure design saves storage space, whether it is workshop or outdoor construction site, it can be transferred quickly and flexibly. Number 1. Brand name, ARCCAPTAIN, model number, Cut 50, exclusive large LED design, provides you with accurate data display and helps you read all data easier and more clearly without taking off your helmet. Easily monitor power output without removing your helmet, keeping your workflow smooth and efficient. The ARCCAPTAIN Cut 50 is a compact, lightweight cutting machine designed for portability and ease of use. Despite its small size, this powerhouse delivers impressive performance for a variety of applications. This ARCCAPTAIN Cut 50 plasma cutter features high-frequency arc starting mode, efficiently cuts through rough, painted, and rusty surfaces and produces minimal slag. User-friendly design makes it ideal for both beginners and professionals. The ARCCAPTAIN Cut 50 plasma cutter is designed with your safety and convenience in mind. The ARCCAPTAIN Cut 50 features advanced protection systems, including overheat, overcurrent, overload, and overvoltage protection, ensuring reliable operation even during demanding tasks.